Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete rows from your spreadsheet that you do not want. This is my spreadsheet of all the songs in my song database. And let's just say I only want to keep my rock and classic rock type songs. As you can see here, I've got a bunch of different categories: British rock, blues, classical, so on and so forth. Well, I'm just going to filter on rock and classic rock, and I can use my little quick filter option to do this. And now I just have the list of rock and classic rock records filtered. And if I want to get rid of everything else, what I do is select my delete rows option. And when I do that, a screen is presented that allows me to remove the hidden rows, the displayed rows, and at the same time I can create a backup of the original data in case I want to go back to the original file that had all rows in it. So I'm going to select to create the backup, and I'm going to remove hidden rows. And when I do that, all the other rows are removed. And as you can see, that only took a second or so. So out of the 10,000 or so records, half of them were removed in about a second. And at the same time, it created this backup with the data the way I had it right before I hit the delete option. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, and have a great day. Thank you.